it is day 1 in Croatia. It's so gorgeous here. I'm just sat outside our villa and all I can see is the sea and the mountains. I'll turn you around in a bit so you can see. But we're just waiting for our car to come and pick us up, and then we're going to go and do some wine tasting and then have some lunch at this 5-star hotel resort in Croatia. I'm not sure the town name actually. It's all been a bit secret, so we're not really sure what we're doing at each step of the way, which is quite exciting. So Amy's just sat over there. She's got her feet in the pool. It is so warm. It's not even 11 o'clock yet and I'm already melting. I'm going to look like an absolute mess by the end of the day. But it's so lovely here. It's really, really beautiful. We're just surrounded by mountains. Apparently there's a little private beach like just down there, and some of the girls saw some dolphins the other day, so we're really excited to go down and see there. But it's just so chilled at the moment. We just had breakfast and we're ready to go exploring the country. So we're out and about now and we're just about to do some wine tasting in my element. You can barely hear me because of all the crickets. It's absolutely beautiful here. Trying to do a few panny shots for you, but there's just so much to see, so much to do. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's people just like sunbathing over there, and then there's the inside the hotel where you can get lunch, and we're having some lunch after we've done our wine tasting. It's really hot. It just seems to be getting hotter and hotter. But this is my kind of place. I'll leave all the details for the hotel in the info bar below if you're interested in visiting. But it's absolutely beautiful and I'm ready to get my wine on. It's now the evening of our first day in Croatia. So we went through an amazing wine tasting this afternoon. I had some gorgeous lunch at this amazing hotel. I'll leave a link down in the info bar if you want to find out where that was. I was tweeting about them as well, so maybe you can find that on my Twitter account too. But we are ready for the evening in our new Asos gear, and we're going into the town of Pag, I think, aren't we? Pag? Yeah. For some dinner with the guys. The other guys have been on a boat party this afternoon, but Amy and I just decided that we wanted to chill in the pool because it was so hot. So we had a bit of sunbathing time, chill time, read our books, and it was really nice. So this is my outfit of the evening. Try not to give you too much of a boob shot there. And yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. Just waiting for the taxi to turn up. But I wanted to show you the evening view that we've got here. Look at that, guys. How beautiful! That is the actual sea, so it connects from all the way over there and then comes to visit us. How beautiful. And apparently there's like a little private beach just down here, and the other guys saw some dolphins the other day, so we're going to try and see if we can find the dolphins tomorrow. But the water is just so calm and clear and it's just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we're going to go for some dinner now, and then probably go to the festival as well, which will be really fun, and then probably to bed because we're all grannies and we can't be partying until like 5-6 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see how the night goes. I'll try and film a bit for you, but if not, I'll see you in the morning. Croatia and we are just on our way to the national park. I'm really excited because it looks absolutely beautiful. I've been googling pictures of it on the way because we've got free Wi-Fi on the bus. But we just stopped off to just have a look at, I think this Pag Bridge?
Yeah, so I'll tell you about when you've done.
I'm gonna get a tour guide when I'm done. So yeah, we just stopped off to have a look at the view. It's very rocky actually around here, but the mountains are absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn you around in a minute so you can see. It's really hot today, and apparently it's just gonna get even hotter. So we've got our bikinis on underneath our outfits, and we're hopefully gonna go for a swim in the waterfalls. So really excited. I had a lovely breakfast this morning at the villa. It's really nice being in a villa. You can just kind of do your own thing. You've got your own pool. You don't have to eat at a buffet. But it's just lovely, having a great time. So I'm gonna go and take in the views. I'll see if I can flip you around. And then the next time I speak to you, hopefully, we will be at the national park. How exciting! It's evening 3. I'm losing track of my days. You always do that on holiday. So we're just about to go out for dinner. Apparently we're going to this amazing seafood restaurant. Today we went to Krka National Falls. Is that how you say it? I don't know. K-R-K-A. And we went to the waterfalls there, and pretty much if you Google Croatia, that is what comes up. And we went and swam in the waterfalls, and oh my god, it was absolutely incredible. I've never been somewhere so beautiful in my entire life. I really wish I could have taken my camera in there, but I needed my hands to swim. But it was absolutely beautiful. It was stunning. I tried to take loads of pictures of the waterfalls when we were just out and about. So if you can check that out on my blog, then definitely do. But the photos just don't even do it justice. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so we're about to go out for dinner, and then we're going to hit the festival. So I will try and actually film something for you tonight. But this is my outfit. It's from Asos. So I've got this amazing white Bordeaux top. Love it. Jersey skirt, and then these amazing sandals. So yeah, really excited. I've got my hair down for like the first time in about 3-4 days because it's so bloody hot here. And apparently it's going to be even hotter like tomorrow. So great. We're going to be melting, or at least we've got the pool to jump into if we need to. So yeah, off out for the evening. Everybody is looking wonderful and feeling good. So yeah, today's been such a fantastic day. I can't even describe it. It's just been absolutely amazing. So hopefully we'll get to do some fun stuff tomorrow. Not quite sure what we've got planned. But yeah, I shall see you on the other side. We're about to get on a boat, guys, to go to the festival. The boys are very excited.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a bit like Beckham at the Olympics.
Yeah, actually, you do look a little bit like Beckham.
Yeah, I'm stoned at that.
We're actually on a boat going to the festival. Could we get any cooler right now?
No.
I don't think so.
Try to keep up. If you're going to a club by cab, you need to step up.
Yeah, I know.
This is Uber, but like the next level.
This is water Uber.
Uber boat. Uber boat.